Happy 4th of July, everyone! Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I'm doing a tag video. Another one tagged by Elena from my Frugal Lives channel. I'll put her channel's link down in my description box below this video. Please check her out. She's an awesome mom. She's a great lady who is trying to get out of all kinds of frames to take care of her 3 kids and a husband, and she keeps shouting out, and I never did. Shame on me. Sorry. Do shout outs for all my friends who are on YouTube and who have little amount of viewers or little amount of subscribers, and I kept postponing it. But today I want to do also shout outs to Elena's channel. Please go and check her out. She loves gardening. That's why she tagged me with her gardening tag. So it's just 5 questions. Let me start first, and then at the end of the video I'll tell you whom I am tagging. So first question is, why do you garden? Actually, I've started gardening when I've got to California. Before, in my country, my brother used to do all kinds of gardening, and nowadays I enjoy doing it. Second question, why do you YouTube? I've started because I watched some organizational channels and kind of got involved into the process, and then I thought, hey, why I cannot do my own DIY videos or some of the organizational projects that I'm trying to start at my apartment. So I opened my channel in 2014 and uploaded just 1 video. Got inspired from the video that I saw on Nikki's channel, At Home with Nikki. So I left just 1 video for the 2014, and in 2015 I came back and started uploading more often, and kind of couple of videos in a month. Question number 3. How long have you been gardening? As I already said, since I came to California, and it was about 18 years ago. I was mostly not doing it on permanent basis. It was like temporary here and there. Question number 4. What do you grow? I love growing small flowers, succulents, and sometimes, maybe once in a while, I'll grow the cherry tomatoes on my balcony because I don't have large space. These are the types of succulents that I grow, like small ones. I may put the link below to the garden that I have on my balcony. You may check it out, the video, how I'm arranging stuff there. And question number 5, the last one. What are your favorite things to grow? If I have my own garden, would be berries first, and then all kinds of flowers that smell. Those 2 are my favorite. Hopefully when I get my own house, I will have a nice flower garden and full of berries, fruits and veggies, and everybody can get invited to fruit tasting or berry tasting parties or events. Nowadays my favorite things to grow are herbs. That's the only thing that I can afford myself to grow on my windowsills, but this year I didn't do that. I did it last year. The previous year I was growing basil, I was growing dill, D-I-L-L, parsley. Yeah, I was growing a couple of herbs that I loved using in my salads and in my soup, so those were my favorite. And this year I'm trying to do something interesting and extraordinary for myself. Hopefully I can make a fairy garden full of indoor plants, nice ones like these 3. And by the way, I shared how I was choosing them from the Lowe's store. You may check that video, I'll link it below also. And I've chosen these 3 plants to buy. And then later I bought this one. Well, dear viewers and dear Elena, hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you like my answers to your tag questions. And if you did, please don't forget to put your thumbs up and comment. Now, whom I'm tagging. First person whom I've always wanted to tag is Lyle. Hopefully he watches this video. If no, I'm gonna send him a message and say I have tagged you. So Terry Lyle is a great person. This is kind of a shout out to his channel. Go and check his channel. He's doing gardening, and not a simple type of gardening, not an easy version. He has lots of huge trees around his house. He lives next to the forest, I guess, and he shares his ideas of how to make a nice garden. He shows how to plant everything, and he also does cooking. He has great recipes that I've never seen on other channels. So please go and support him, give him thumbs up, subscribe to his channel. He's a great person. He used to be a graphic artist or something like that. I don't exactly remember the name of his profession, but he's doing everything. So go and check his channel. And second person whom I've recently met on YouTube is a great lady. She has a cool personality. I love it. And her name is Denise. And her channel's name is This and That with Denise Jordan. Hopefully she checks it out and finds some time to do the tag. She had tagged me before this one, but I didn't do her tag yet. I promise I'll record it. I'm just trying to do it in an order that is kind of fits my schedule. Sorry. So I'm gonna finish this one and record your tag, dear Denise. Okay, so if you are a new viewer, hope you can subscribe to my channel and come back for more haul videos, tags, DIYs, cooking and baking recipes. Love all my viewers, and especially the ones who do gardening. Bye bye.